automating processes is an integral part of database administration. Azure SQL provides native tools to perform database maintenance tasks for automation purposes. For a SQL Server on an Azure virtual machine, you have access to scheduling services such as the SQL Server Agent or the Windows Task Scheduler. These automation tools can help keeping the amount of fragmentation within indexes to minimum. Due to the nature of Azure SQL database, you do not have access to SQL Server Agent nor Windows Task Scheduler. Without these services, scheduled jobs must be created using other methods. There are 3 ways to manage maintenance operations for Azure SQL database. You can utilize Azure Automation Runbooks, SQL Server job from SQL Server in an Azure virtual machine or even on-premise through a remote call, and Azure SQL Elastic jobs. Now for Azure SQL managed instances, you can schedule tasks and automate processes with SQL Server Agent. At the end of this section, you'll learn how to automate tasks in your Azure SQL database.